Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene County, Montgomery County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carlisle, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Riverside, Germantown, Centerville, Drexel, Woodburn Hyde Park, Overlook Page Model and Trabine. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 37. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene and Montgomery County, Ohio. Effective.
Here is